This isn't metal but Binchotan, a special charcoal made by carbonizing hardwoods like Ubame oak at high temperatures.
Known as the Rolls-Royce of charcoal, it has high energy, density, and a metallic sound when struck. Its advantages include long burning time, stable temperature, high heat output, and being smokeless and odorless, making it ideal for grilling and heating. It also emits far infrared rays, evenly heating food for better taste. However, it's much pricier than regular charcoal, mainly used by high-end barbecue restaurants.